Hello, and welcome fellow riders to what is more than just a road. It is a pilgrimage, it is a monument, it is the Grossglockner High Alpine Road. For decades, this ribbon of asphalt has been a magnet for adventurers, a true proving ground for man and machine. It's not simply about getting from one side of the mountain to the other. It's about the journey itself, a journey that begins with a single thought: conquering the Alps. This road is a legend, a 48-kilometer masterpiece of engineering that connects the serene beauty of the Austrian provinces of Carinthia and East Tyrol. We are riding through a living postcard, but this isn't just a sightseeing tour. It's a true test of skill and passion. Our two wheels are our connection to this ancient land. We feel every change in the road surface, every gust of wind, every subtle shift in temperature. This is where you truly become one with the mountain. Our journey begins in the charming valley town of Bruck or Heiligenblut, and almost immediately the air changes. You can feel the cold, crisp mountain air filling your lungs. As we pass through the toll gate, we leave the everyday world behind and enter a realm of breathtaking natural beauty. The road begins to climb relentlessly at a maximum gradient of 12%. This is where the motorcycle comes alive, its engine humming with purpose as we navigate the first of the legendary 36 hairpin bends. Each of these bends is a story in itself. They are not just simple corners, they are perfectly crafted turns that force you to slow down, to lean in, to feel the grip of the tires, and to truly appreciate the engineering that went into their construction. The early sections of the road are framed by lush green meadows and dense alpine forests. The scent of pine and fresh earth fills the air, a scent that is unique to the high mountains. But as we climb higher, we can see the landscape changing. The trees begin to thin out. The green gives way to the stark beauty of the rocky, rugged terrain. We are riding through history. The road was a monumental feat, built between 1930 and 1935, but the route itself is far older. Archaeological evidence tells us that this very path was used as a trade route even in the early Iron Age. Think about that for a moment. People have been traveling through these mountains for thousands of years, and today we get to follow in their footsteps on two wheels. This road, a symbol of human perseverance, has been a protected monument since 2015, preserving its timeless beauty for future generations. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history and the spirit of adventure all at once. One of the greatest things about the Grossglockner is its exceptional infrastructure. Unlike other rugged mountain passes, this road is equipped with numerous spacious rest stops, well-maintained parking lots, clean restrooms, and even a variety of museums and exhibitions. Take a moment to stop and explore. Check out the exhibitions about the road's construction or the local flora and fauna at the Haus Alpin Naturschau. For those arriving from the south, don't miss the hauntingly beautiful Jungfernsprung waterfall. Its tragic local legend adds a layer of depth to the already stunning view, and its powerful roar in the morning mist is a sound you won't soon forget. The ascent continues. We pass through alpine tunnels, each one a cool, dark contrast to the bright sunshine that awaits us on the other side. Soon we'll reach the highest point of the main road, the Hochtor Pass, at a staggering 2,504 meters. This is where the true scale of the surrounding mountains becomes clear. From this vantage point, you can see peaks in every direction, a vast, undulating sea of rock and ice. But the ultimate prize for any rider lies just a little further. About 7 kilometers north of the pass, a detour leads us to the iconic Edelweißspitze, At a breathtaking 2,571 meters, this is the highest point on the entire road accessible by motorcycle. The final climb to the top is exhilarating, and as you ride the last few meters, you'll be on the original cobblestone pavement, a historic detail that makes the experience even more special. From here, the panoramic view is simply immense. You can see over 30 peaks that are over 3,000 meters high, including the majestic Grossglockner itself, standing tall at 3,798 meters, and the immense Pasterze Glacier flowing from its side. This is also a fantastic spot for wildlife. Keep an eye out for marmots playing in the rocks, or, with a bit of luck, the rare ibex grazing on the high slopes. For those who want to get even closer to the glacier, a ride to the Kaiser-Franz-Josefs-Höhe is a must. Here, a modern visitor center and a funicular await. You can ride the Gletscherbahn or take a scenic hike to the edge of the glacier, experiencing its vastness firsthand. It's a humbling feeling to stand at the foot of such a massive, moving force of nature. The Grossglockner is more than just a ride. It's an immersion into an ecosystem of adventure, history, and raw beauty. It's a place where you feel the wind on your face, the vibration of your bike, and the sheer power of the Alps. The memory of this ride, the twists, the turns, the views, and the feeling of accomplishment will stay with you forever. So gear up, check the weather, and experience this magnificent journey for yourself. You won't regret it.